Welcome back YouTube, it's your man here, aka Do Man. So today I'll be working alone today. The other kids will be on the next video. So let's get started. So here today I'm going to be explaining to you how to wire a Orion 12-inch dual voice coil subwoofer. So let's explain all the tools we have today. We have a Remember though, I almost forgot. We are not sponsored by any of these companies. So I have a voltmeter by UI Go. If I'm wrong, if I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. So make sure you have it on, which is the fourth setting in it. I have a Rockville 1-channel amplifier, four wires, Orion 2-channel amplifier, there's a difference, an Orion 12-inch subwoofer dual voice coil speaker. So let's get started. So first, safety first. Always keep your cap on the tip of your voltmeter because you can poke you. So you take the red one and you put it under the positive point. And it should always be in the range between 3.7 and 3.8, 3.9, and 4.1. It might be flushing away a little bit, but yeah. So let's get to connecting the wires. So we have our orange and black wire. The orange is the positive, the black is the negative. So let's start.
And so, man, what are you trying to get the fighting impedance of?
I'm trying to get the final impedance of a 2
ohm load
2 ohm load and a 4 oh,
from a 4 ohm guys. He's going to show you how to wire the subwoofer up from a 4 ohm to get the final impedance of a 2 ohm stable. So in reality, guys, I'm going to show you the speaker. The speaker is a 4 ohm amp. It's a 2400 watt 4 ohm speaker. What he's doing now, guys, he's wiring the speaker up to show you guys how to get the single speaker to match. Go to a 1-channel amp to get the final impedance of 2 ohms.
So now that I have it connected, the jump start wire is connected. We're going to connect these wires. So first, we have the blue wire, which is positive, and the brown wire, which is negative. So let's start. So now we're going to twist this. And now we're going to put it back in here. And now we're going to do the same thing to the other wire. Put it back in there. I might have messed up a little bit. So now we're going to test the ohms. Positive. and negative.
There you go, guys. 1.9. Y'all see, he has showed you guys how to wire your amplifier up. I mean, your speaker up. Sorry about that. That is how you get a 5 impedance of 2 ohm stable.
Also, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, go subscribe. I have seen that you guys have not been subscribing and subscribing to Little People's Garage. And also, remember to leave a comment on how to say this. See you later.